Hey, now here's a retro room review from 2009. This is room 2018 on Enchantment of the Seas. This is an Oceanview room, and I don't know if it's changed a whole lot since 2009. As you can see, there's a bed, a couple of side tables, and this nice little window seat. This was our very first cruise, and since then we've learned that these rooms near the front of the ship tend to have these little window seats, which we actually kind of like. They give you a little bit more space, either for storage or just hanging out. Check out that TV. They've replaced all the TVs, don't worry. They're all much nicer than this now. They used to provide a lot of water in your room that you would have to ask to be removed. We don't have to do that anymore. Now let's check out the bathroom. It probably hasn't changed a whole lot since 2009. You can see it's a pretty small bathroom. It's got the little sink in the corner. This is where I learned you'd be able to wash your hands while you're still using the toilet. It's kind of a crazy idea. I think maybe they've replaced those seat covers to have something a little nicer looking, but I don't know. If you've been in this room recently, let me know what you think. The shower probably still just has the curtain. That probably hasn't changed. As you can see, the storage space tends to be behind the mirrors in these older ships. But it's a nice little room. And that's basically it. Now, if you want to check out a newer video of another Oceanview room, check out this video here. And I've got lots more videos from other rooms on other ships, plus secrets from all these ships and more on Cruising Secrets. We'll secret you later.